So ano po itong mga hakbang na ito para i-reduce the number of subjects, and then what are we going to concentrate on now for at least for this coming school year po?
Yan. So, this coming school year po, we are fully rolling out the Strengthen Senior High School program.
Okay.
We piloted this in 891 schools this current school year. And in fact, initially we were thinking that we would roll out fully a bit slowly. Kaya lang po naging very positive yung reception ng ating pilot schools sa Strengthen Senior High School program natin. Basically, the shift from 15 courses, as you mentioned, to just 5 courses. Kasi through these 5 courses, makaka-focus po talaga tayo sa mga basics. Actually, Ma'am Ricky, we are going to use the opportunity not just for remediation, but for advancement as well. We are really closely looking into streaming the grade 11 students in senior high school so that those who are capable of advancement will be given advanced levels of the courses, and those who require remediation will go through more foundational skills. Gusto po nating patotoo na talagang iniintindi natin ang kalagayan ng ating mga mag-aaral.
Oo. Yusek Meritos Pati, I was the one who asked the question, no? I was just wondering kasi po, ano itong mga 5 courses po na ipapatupad na po sa senior high school, no? Nasabi nyo nga, you saw that the results in the pilot schools was very effective, was successful. So now you want to replicate it to other senior high schools. So ano po yung mga subjects po na maaasahan po natin na mababawasan, no? Ang laking bawas po ito, mula sa 15, magiging 5 na lang. Ano po itong mga subjects na ito?
Yeah. So we will concentrate on effective communication in both English and Filipino. Then we have general math, we have general science, then we have kasaysayan, and then we also have life skills. Life skills is of particular importance, no, for DepEd, and we really want to be strong in this particular course so that we may be able to prepare our learners for life after senior high school, which includes preparation for jobs,
work,
beginning with filling up application forms, engaging in interviews with would-be employers, no, and other pathways after senior high school. So these are the 5 po that we are going to concentrate on. Then general science and general math, for example, will not really be content heavy, but more on the applications of general math concepts and general science concepts in life, no, and in practical situations they meet in the workplace.
So wala nang trigonometry?
Calculus.
Ma'am, wala nang trigonometry. Yan talaga sa akin, ang feeling ko talaga useless na subject ng math. Sorry.
Kayo talaga. No, but yeah, in the 5 courses, wala po tayong trigonometry sa basic math. Pero po, ilalagay po natin yan sa ating mga electives because there are also learners who are very keen about learning all this, especially those perhaps who are STEM-bound, no, when they proceed to college. Pero hindi na po natin ibibigay ang trigonometry sa lahat kasi baka naman hindi po kailangan ng lahat.